how to make a picture like this in Picsart, and it's free for now. First thing you have to do is open Picsart, click the plus sign to create new project, choose a white background, head on tools and choose orientation 3 by 4. Add shape, choose the circle and change the color into gray. Zoom and fit it on the screen. Head to stickers, choose vignette, zoom and fit the screen. Add your picture, crop it and remove background. Head on erase and erase the unnecessary object. Adjust your picture by zooming it. Head on erase and erase the hair of the picture. Go to sticker and search for smoke effect. Adjust it based on your preference and erase the unnecessary ones. Duplicate it and adjust. Head into effects and search for black and white. So you can transform your picture from this to this.